Backed by popular demand, Season 2 of Drive-In, Dine-In, and Donate, December 15th at Marigi's Savoy Inn.
Oh, hi, I'm Steve Hogan, and St. Mary's School is rolling out to drive-in, dine-in, and donate at the Dantis, Donum.
December 15th at Marigi's Savoy Inn.
Let's check this out. Let's go. Woo!
Coming to St. Mary's School every day is a blessing. It doesn't feel like work because I'm truly doing what I love. I am in the company of the most beautiful children.
Everyone loves each other and cares for each other, and we're just one big happy family.
This way to donate.
I love St. Mary's because they have great teachers.
It is the perfect combination of service, education, and religion.
Text SMS donate to 50155.
Oh, look! There he is! He must be going to Drive-In, Dine-In, and Donate! Whoa! We're excited for Drive-In, Dine-In, and Donate! Go! To Drive-In, Dine-In, and Donate! Text SMS donate to 50155.
This is Marigi's Savoy Inn, and we're in the heart of East Vineland. And this is Tom. Tom, what do you have serving up tonight?
Well, Guy and Father Rob, come on in and we'll show you.
What do you got, Tommy?
All right, we have some of our most popular dishes. We have gnocchi and short rib. We have a Cajun chicken bowl with penne Alfredo. And for Father Rob in particular, we made him his famous chicken parm. So check him out. And these items will be available on the St. Mary's donor list.
Holy moly, this is good.
Oh, outstanding.
All right. Well, good. Glad you enjoyed.
Each club comes complete with drive-in, dine-in, and donate entrees and a chance to win a St. Mary's School mission-themed basket, a 3D printer Minds at Work basket, a Hearts with God Littlest Angel gift basket, and Lives of Service St. Mary gift basket.
I've been a part of St. Mary's School since about 1980. I had 3 children attend here and graduated, and that was in the 1980s and 1990s. It's 40 years later, and I'm still part of the family. I've loved every minute of it.
Text your donation to SMS donate to 50155.
Hey, Father Rob, how are you?
Good, Patrick. How are you?
Great.
I'd like to thank each and every one of you for your kindness and generosity to St. Mary's School. The school's mission, of course, is to help our children grow in greater love of Christ and one another. So if you can, I ask you to please kindly donate to Drive-In, Dine-In, and Donate as part of Dantis Donum. please text your gift to SMS Donate at 50155. Thank you so very much, and God bless you.
Thanks, Brother Rob. Let's take a ride back to St. Mary's School to see your gift in action.
Hi, Patrick. How are you?
Hi, Carol.
SMS.
Donate.
2
501.
55.
Thank you.